It's recording, guys. It's recording.
Hi, I like women.
Hello,
Hold on.
Welcome to our little let's play.
I cannot move an inch, Patry. I think we gotta.
Technical difficulties, chat.
I feel so attacked. How could you forget? Test. Do the test. Do the test.
Okay. We're gonna test it.
Test it to see if I can actually fucking move. Okay, cool. Is Astra even in the game?
Yes. Oh no, kick her! No, let's kick her out. Why you didn't tell me? Why you didn't tell me? Fucking.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, boys. Alrighty.
Okay, cool.
We had the rap artist, the Theo, rap artist, the Kira, and me, Mr. Mike.
Stop stealing my jokes.
Oh no! Oh no! Hold on.
I'm not used to playing with a controller, so wait for me.
We have a non-gamer.
I do game. Oh my. You know what? Just take me. Just take me. Just take me. Where's Esther? Where's Esther? Esther got eaten.
Yeah, killed.
Come back here!
No.
No, she's here. There you go. Oh my god!
Esther.
Oh my god, you're alive. Are you alive? Please move. There you go. You're alive. Holy shit!
Yeah.
Die, you little piece of poo poo. No, you little piece of poo poo. Stinky poo poo.
What in the name of?
Stick your ass.
What is that? What kind of demonic?
This is so. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. It's the devil himself.
I guess the devil that moves.
Just get out of here. Get out of here.
Come on, Esther. Mom, I'm hungry. I want food.
I'm gonna feed you. I'm just gonna throw you.
I wanna eat that. No, don't sacrifice me. Don't sacrifice me to the Dark Lord.
I'm gonna sacrifice you to the Dark Lord.
Sibling, Esther, pick me up. Take, please. Yes.
There you go. First dinner. Dinner is ready, guys.
Yeah. No, go away, Mom.
We are in the campaign of
There is something's in the way. No.
He's dead. Remember the time you had a brother? Well, I forget about it.
I had a brother? When? Dad, I want therapy. Dad, I'm not. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I want my keyboard privileges back.
This is
yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh, it's a friend. Hi, friend. Are you interested in politics? Oh.
He's not interested. Oh.
Okay, sir, no, I refuse to, sir, I'd rather kill myself. Yeah, I'd rather kill myself. Oh, Asta, what are you drawing?
Yeah, I'm interested as well. The squiggles! Oh, it's the squiggles!
Well, scrunklies, yeah.
It's the squiggles.
Okay, cool.
Come on, I left you artificer for a reason.
Yeah, karma. Oh, wait, isn't this supposed to be a YouTube video?
The guidelines say that, in 10 minutes in the video I can say bad things.
Plants taste like bullshit.
Alright, let's go.
What's the water?
What is
Poop
blood?
water. Poop water. Let's swim in the poop water.
Let's make it creepy, guys. Let's make it creepy.
The poop water. The poop water.
No!
Get in the poop water.
Stop! It's your big ass.
This graffiti is very interesting.
Purposed organism.
Thank God that's not in Rain World, because if that thing was in Rain World, I'd shit my pants. Lizards might be purposed organisms at this point, so yeah.
I wonder, what are they good for, honestly?
I don't know, existing or something?
As guard dogs?
I guess. But some of them are shit guard dogs?
Probably.
Maybe livestock?
Livestock? Oh
I
god.
mean, at this point in Rain World, we could just constantly kill creatures and they could come back to life, so... Get in! Ooh, spear, finally, arsenal.
Arsenal. Let's make arson. Let's commit arson real quick.
Hi, sir. Would you? Sir, I'm very offended. Yes, that's my kill. That's me. I'm eating that. This is
to hibernate.
This is Gerald. Gerald is dead right now. Moments later, Gerald is dismembered. Poop water, poop water.
No, stop it.
Ooh, mine. That's mine. Fuck you. I'm Steve. Get back.
I have it in my bag. You cannot steal from.
Give.
It me. No. I forgot.
Is this how Moon felt after her water got destroyed?
Dry ditch. Dry ditch? Huh. Oh.
I want to go back home.
Oh, we're gonna find a way to get it home.
Get me out of your basement.
I don't have a basement.
Also, ooh, drugs.
Flower.
Ooh, drugs.
No.
No, what am I supposed to do with that thing up there now if there's no water?
Very lore heavy. Oh god, what an extreme side. Ow!
No, give that back! I'm trying to make all of them explosive. Hold on, I'm gonna make my collection.
It's a waste of food in my opinion, but oh well.
Hey, this waste of food is gonna get us somewhere.
I don't get it.
What do you mean you don't get it?
Don't get the fear of claustrophobic spaces. They're so covered!
That's not my problem. That right there is not my problem. Absolutely not my problem. Bye-bye. Not my problem. Goodbye. Not my problem.
How am I alive?
Wait, literally, how are you alive? It's coming for you.
Oh god, so creepy.
Bitch is crazy. Hey, let me see what I'm doing. Oh, cool.
I'm gonna get you. No! 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 It's so scary.
Sir, I'd rather not. I'm not interested in centipede politics. You look like asshole.
No, oh god.
Well, that's...
Get out of here. I have nothing to do with that situation.
Thank you for being such a great friend.
Survive you, but
No, you go progress. Is that a baby? That's a baby snail.
What a cute.
Kill it. Kill it. Kill it.
There's no water.
Is this how Moon felt?
No water. Me with no water. Oh no. This is dry as hell. Is this more future than future?
I think it is, yeah.
Alright. Why am I? Where am I? Oh god. Get back in again. I mean, I think that it depends on you. Since you're the creator. Bugged. That's not a good sign. I'ma reset the game for this. stand by these please. Hey, that fits. We have a standby. Oh my god, beautiful. In my life, and I assure you, oh, shit, I can get to it. Get it. I cannot get it. I cannot get it. I failed as an artificer. Shit. Why am I failing at this?
You wanna get to 5 Pepsis?
5 Pepsis in there.
Are you playing the monk?
How do you know?
Ah, you're playing monk. Haha, monk player. Monk player.
Sure.
But you have him left? You just have him left?
Him and Hunter.
Oh, you didn't play Hunter? Oh.
Tyrion as well, like the boy is a band.
Yeah, I do actually want to talk about his. What the hell?
Yeah, and also
Well, just ignore it then.
nice. I'm gonna commit some murder in glitch form, I guess. Did I just kill a... Did I just kill a poor bat fly while I was just exploding? Alright, let us do an outro. Let us do an outro. Time for an outro. So guys, we did it. We played REUPLOAD, and here I'm gonna show off all my skins that I made for the Steam Workshop. If you're ever interested in the skins that I make and me as an artist, you can check on in the description, and I leave the link to the Steam page and maybe any more info about me as an artist, and you could see any ways to support me. I appreciate every single thing that could be helpful for me. So yeah, have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, city.